Hello and welcome. This is clip 5 of tutorial number 3. So far we have completed the spotted drill and drill of the 4 holes. So in this video I'm going to create the toolpath to machine the contour shown on the screen. The depth of the contour is 0.125. So from toolpaths I'm going to activate contour. Chaining dialog box will show up with chain selected, and I would be prompted to select contour chain 1. So we click on the contour somewhere here, and the contour is chained now. If there is any problem with the contour sketch, normally we're going to see red arrow or a blue arrow. So that means something wrong with the sketch, so we need to fix it. But if you see your contour like this, dotted with the yellow dotted line, so that means our contour is perfect. So we click OK to proceed. Next step, we select the tool. Select library tool, and using the filter, I would like to bring from the tool library a flat end mill that has a diameter of 1/2 inch. So we click OK, and that is actually the tool number 290 in the library. 1/2 inch flat end mill. So we select this tool and we click OK. So that is our tool, 1/2 inch flat end mill, which would be tool number 3, length offset H3, diameter offset D3. I'm going to set the feed rate to 10 inches per minute, plunge rate 10 inches per minute as well. Spindle direction is clockwise like always. Spindle speed, I'm going to set the spindle speed to 3500 RPM. Rapid retract, and I will add a comment here. Maybe we can say mill the outer contour using flat end mill of 1/2 inch diameter. Now we jump to the cut parameters. From the compensation type, I'm going to select control, which means I want to activate the cutter radius compensation. So since we are going to go this way, that means the tool should be compensated or shifted to the left. So compensation direction left. This is a 2D contour, and stock to leave on walls set to 0. Stock to leave on floors set to 0 as well. We don't like to leave any material on wall or floor. Alright, then lead in, lead out. I'm going to uncheck enter exit at midpoint in closed contour. Also, I'm going to uncheck this gauge check because this is not applicable with control option that we set. So we are going to set lead in, and lead out. In the entry or lead in, I'm going to approach my workpiece with a straight line that is 100% to the tool diameter, which means 1/2 inch, and an arc of radius equal to 100% of tool diameter, which is 1/2 inch. Same thing, we set it in the exit section, so lead out. So we have lead in and lead out. Okay. Then on the multi-passes page, I'm going to activate multi-passes. So we have rough number 1, we have only 1 pass with 0 spacing, and I would like to do 1 finish pass, okay, and I'm going to leave 20 thou on the wall for finishing so that we have a smooth surface. For finish passes, I'm going to activate final depth. So we do finish pass only when we reach the final depth, and I would like to keep the tool down. Okay, on the linking parameters page, I'm going to activate clearance 2 inches absolute, perfect, but I want to use this only at start and end of operation. For the retract plane absolute, maybe we set it to 0.15. Feed plane, set it to absolute, and I'm going to set it also to 0.15. Top of stock is 0, which is our Z0 point. And for the depth, I'm going to enter the total depth here is minus 0.125. This is given in the drawing. All right. But I don't like to cut this one shot because it will be too much, and sometimes it breaks the tool and maybe will create some vibration. If I want to cut this depth by 2 passes, then I can activate depth cut and enter the total depth divided by 2. So maximum rough step will be 0.0625. No finish cut, and also I would like to keep tool down. All right. Then next thing, we set the coolant flood and on. So M8 will be generated on our program. That's all we need to do on this page. Now I will select all operations and I'm going to verify just to make sure that I'm on the right track, and this is exactly what we want to do. Right click, isometric. Now remember, stop condition is at operation change, and from verify I already activated color loop, and as you can see here we have 3 different colors. Each color represents one operation. So let's click play. That is the spotted drill operation. Drilling. Then I click play again to show the toolpath for contour. So that's the first pass. Okay, we cut only 0.0625. Then the second pass to get the final depth. But as you can see, still we have 20 thou on the wall. We left it for finish pass. This is the second pass to get the final depth, and now I'm ready to cut the 20 thou, the finish pass. That completes this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.